Welcome. My name is Joel Block, and I'll be the instructor for Ed T&L 6911. And in this video, I'm going to give you a short introduction to the course. 6911 was designed to be a bridge course between 5902 and 6912. 5902 was our academic writing course, and the course is for students who have either finished 5902 or have qualified out of 5902. And it's a bridge to the more advanced courses that we offer, which is 6912, which is a publishing course, and 6913, which is the dissertation writing course. And the goals of the course is really basically to help you develop further your writing. You may not have had any formal academic writing instruction, or you may still feel you need to know a little more about writing from your 5902 course. And so this course is designed to help you develop your writing, so you have a place where you can discuss any problems you have with your writing. You'll learn something about the general academic writing course. We'll cover a number of topics I'll go over later in the video, and just give you a general place where you can talk about academic writing. The requirements for the course are simply that you have something to write. It could be anything. It could be a class paper that you're working on. It could be the beginning of a published paper or a dissertation that you might want to develop in the later courses, or anything, a grant application, any kind of practice writing that you feel you need to work on. Now, I want to talk next a little bit about some of the goals of the course. The way the course is going to be divided up, it's going to be 4 group sessions, and in each session we're going to cover one module. And in addition to the group sessions, there's going to be individual tutorials in which I'll meet with you one-on-one during the remainder of the semester. And when you sign up for the course, you'll have a chance to sign up for an individual tutorial slot, and every week we'll meet at that time to go over whatever writing that you have. So in the first module, we're going to talk about the variety of forms of academic writing. Research papers that you might write for a class, publishing paper, how to publish your research, a little bit about grant writing applications, and a little bit about dissertation writing, all of which will be covered in other classes. And then specifically, we'll focus on the structure of an academic paper, the introduction to the academic paper, the literature review, the method, data, and discussion, and the conclusion of an academic paper. In the second module, we're going to look at textual borrowing. Textual borrowing simply refers to the use of source text as a way of building texts up. And so every academic text is based on previous research, and so that you'll need to use a variety of sources in your text. And we'll look at both two things. One is what we call the rhetoric of uses of source textual borrowing. That's the reasons why you use textual borrowing. And 4 reasons, there may be more than 4, why that you would use textual borrowing in your class, in your paper. The third module is going to cover intellectual property, plagiarism, and the ethics of research. And this is the social context in which you do research, the sort of rules for doing research, the norms and values that govern research. And then the final module will look at effective writing, some strategies for writing good academic text, and look a little bit at the next courses, the publishing and the dissertation writing courses. So again, my name is Joel Block, and if you have any questions about the course, you can contact me at block10@yahoo.com. And I'm looking forward to hearing from you or meeting you in the future. Thank you.